Hello, nature lovers, and welcome back to Naturalhub. Are you tired of mosquitoes turning your summer evenings into a swatting spree? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of natural solutions to keep those pesky mosquitoes at bay using herbs you can easily grow in your own garden. Stay tuned as we explore each herb and learn how to use them effectively. Many of us know about citronella's mosquito-repelling powers, but there are several other herbs that are just as effective and can add beauty and fragrance to your garden. First up is basil. Not only is it a culinary favorite, but its strong scent also repels mosquitoes. Lemon basil and cinnamon basil are particularly effective. You can plant basil in pots and place them around your patio or garden edges. Next on our list is lavender. This beautiful purple herb is loved for its soothing aroma by us, but hated by mosquitoes. Plant lavender around your seating areas, or use dried lavender in bouquets to keep the bugs away. Moving on, let's talk about rosemary. This herb not only enhances your dishes, but also keeps mosquitoes, flies, and other pests at bay. Its woody scent is what keeps the mosquitoes from invading your space. Mint is another fantastic mosquito repellent. The strong fragrance masks other scents that attract mosquitoes. You can grow mint in containers to control its spread, as it can be quite invasive. And don't forget about lemongrass. It contains citronella, a natural oil found in commercial mosquito repellents. Planting some around your garden not only looks great, but keeps the mosquitoes away effectively. You can also create your own natural mosquito repellent sprays using these herbs. Simply boil the herbs in water, let the mixture cool, and pour it into a spray bottle. Spritz around your seating areas and skin for a mosquito-free zone. There you have it. With these herbs, your garden can be an aromatic haven that's free from mosquitoes. Remember, the best locations for these plants are where you spend most of your time outdoors, like near the patio, along walkways, or around the porch. Thanks for tuning in. Embrace the power of nature in your garden to live a mosquito-free life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more natural living tips. Until next time, keep growing and stay bug-free.